Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am Catherine and this is the channel. I am so glad you're here today. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new, I appreciate you for being here. Today we are unboxing the December Allure box and I can't wait to get in here, so let's do it. This December Allure box is so crammed packed that even with the plastic on it, it is lopsided. They couldn't get this down any further. That is so exciting, and it really makes me want to know what is in here. We have seen some of the spoilers, but I know that there are also more variations this month. So a couple of the things I have been looking forward to since they were spoiled, oh my goodness, at least a month ago. So let's just dive in. So when we take off the lid, we have our nice pamphlet on top, which shows our girl. And then here's our products. So that looks promising. And I should tell you that I like to usually read the descriptions of the products so you have a really good idea of what they are there for. And with the Allure box, the descriptions are written by editors and staff that have tried the products. So obviously they love the products or they wouldn't be in the box. So last month I tried a dramatic reading of each, and some of you were tickled by that, some of you not as much, but I may have to do it just to make myself happy. All right, let's just dive in and see what this awesome thing has for us. The beauty of this box is it's a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Who doesn't want every box to have a collab with Anastasia? Okay, there are a couple of you out there probably, but I do, at least once in a while, and this is a great one. This is a Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and it is 2.5 ml, and that is what the box looks like. Now let's get in here and see what the clear brow gel looks like. And it is a just regular silver packaging. And I have started using clear brow gel. I have always said, well, I don't really use that because I don't have much eyebrow. I mean, mine have gotten so thin that I mostly draw them in. I don't need to tame them. I don't have any long enough to be tamed. But I started using them just because I noticed that it thickened them up a little bit. And it gave me a little bit of a thicker look to my brows, so I have started using it. The paperwork says that a full size is $22, and it does imply that this is a full size, so I will let you know down here if this is indeed a full size. And this girl says, I've spoken of my pig pen brows before. It's not that they're particularly ungroomed, it's just that they're curly. So a product that keeps those little hairs where I want them is essential. Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Brow Gel has become my ride or die, and here's why. It has a lightweight consistency, which is very wet when you swipe it on. My brows lie exactly where I want them to, and they stay there all day without feeling crunchy. So, they make her very happy. I hope it makes me very happy. And reaching in next, I have an Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty, and this is what that looks like. And this, I would say, is definitely a full-sized product. And it is 1.7 fluid ounces. And this is apparently one of the things that could have been a variation. You could have received this or the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This one says, once the indoor heat goes up, my epidermis is dry as a desert. My solution has been moisturizer, face, oil, repeat. The First Aid Beauty Moisturizer is so lightweight, I had real doubts, but the cream is full of heavy-duty moisturizing oils like avocado and meadow foam seed that get right in there and hydrate on a deep level. So it must be super greasy, right? No. It also has shea butter and ceramides, so I don't feel like a grease ball. I rubbed it in and out of habit reached for a second moisturizer. Miracle of miracles, I didn't need it. This has a $24 value. And what I am going to do is mention right now that I have a collab going on with Vanessa Beauty and Get This Glowing and Everything Proof Beauty and Julie Unboxing. And we each did what we call the Spaladay collab. And I'll put the link here for you. And what you do is you watch each of us on my video about the collab, you comment below that video, and you put a little emoji on it, and you're entered. It's that easy. I'm not doing lots of different entries for this one since it's a collab. I'm not adding Insta. You just enter on the original giveaway, and you watch the other girls, and you're entered. But I have that collab right back here, and it's the Prolise and the Cosmetics and the Fruitia Toner and this Goldfaden MD and then a bunch of masks, and I'm going to add this Fab Beauty moisturizer to it. So you will actually have 2 moistures in my giveaway, because just in case you don't like one, and it fills in that space very nicely. So you guys know me. I just like it. I like to add to giveaways. I just like giveaways. They're so much fun. Okay, reaching in. I have already reached in next. I have the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. It's a decent size. I mean, it's not a full size, but it is heavy. It says that it is 1.35 fluid ounces. Let's see what the paperwork says. This apparently was a variation also, and I received this, and you could have received the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I would have been happy to receive either. I love, love, love the Way products, but I like Christoph Robin too. And this says, this glittering, we're going to stop and get in here. Glittering? You don't see any glitter. Oh, it smells fantastic. I can tell you that, but just so we're clear, there's the product, and I don't see any. I don't see any glitter. Eek. Let me clean that up real quick. I don't see any glitter. I don't know if that was like some sort of euphemism for something, but it did leave my hands a little oily though, which could be good, could be bad. This glittering, although we didn't see glitter, sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals retails for $53 for 246 milliliters. Goodness gracious. I don't know what a milliliter is. This is 40 milliliters. So that is 246. 6. Well, 6 would be 240. Let's take a minute and be proud of me right there. So approximately, this is 1/6 of it. So this is about $8.50 worth. I know. You're thinking, that girl's awesome. I'm not going to stop you from thinking that. All right, guys, I'm just playing. So it says, yes, $53 for shampoo, but it's no normal shampoo. It uses salt crystals in a conditioning paste that rids the scalp of dead skin and product buildup, so your hair is fuller, more vibrant, and more excellent. I need more excellent hair. Starting to seem like a pretty good deal? It is now, isn't it? So it smells nice, and the oil went away. I'm not sure. You know, my hair is so fine and thin that I am, as a rule, am a little nervous for oily things for my hair, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, reaching in next, I have Anastasia liquid lipstick in Bohemian. That baby looks dark. Let's get in here and see how dark it is, because it's mine. And I have to tell you, if I'm forced to pick, waving a knife around, if I'm forced to pick between too light or too dark, I'm going to take too dark any day of the week. This whole new look of concealer colors that is in right now is horrific on me. Absolutely horrific. I prefer darker colors. I'm not loving them today so much since my lips are a little dry and they are bleeding a little bit, but as a rule, I prefer darker colors. Oh, this is very pretty though. I like that a lot. That looks wearable. Let's just get in here and, woo. Oh, wow. That is dark. It is so pretty though. And can you guys tell around the edges of it? It's not like bleeding out into my dry skin. That is super, super pretty. Wow. This is a color like, you know what you see this called a lot is raisin. This is, again, this is called Bohemian, but it's got a really raisiny color to it. Love it. Let's see what the paperwork says. Oof, this is a big story for lipstick. Maybe we won't read it all. Known for deep, richly pigmented makeup colors, and clients like Victoria Beckham, Jennifer Lopez, and all the Kardashian Jenners, Anastasia's liquid lipstick lives up to its well-earned reputation. The formula is slick and paints on easily via a precise paddle applicator. Just be careful to stay within the lip lines to avoid an unintentional halo of color around the mouth. I'm not nervous. You nervous? Not nervous. A simple swipe covered my whole mouth, and the lipstick dried down to a powdery matte stain in a split second. It says that regardless of what you get, you're getting a dark color, because it says the color in your beauty box is one of 2 sexy vampire-ish shades that both feel like 1990s Liv Tyler at her best. And this has a $20 value. And last but not least, and the piece de resistance in this box, that is what most people that have Allure have been looking forward to since it was spoiled, is the Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia. And this is a highlighter kit. And it is gorgeous. The inside looks just like the cover. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So pretty. It is 6 highlight colors. And we have like a creamy and white and a light purple. And this one and pinky and kind of beigey and a darker purple. Let's see what their names are. This is, I'm trying, oh, there's no mirror. I can show it to you right side up. I get so used to avoiding mirrors. We have Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe. Starting to feel like Lucky Charms, isn't it? Pink Hearts, Lucky Clover, Blue Moon. I'm thinking that's not an accident. These are fantastic. Let's swipe them. First, I have to attempt, oh my goodness, guys. I just full on. You better put this on where you want it to live. Oh my. Girls. I mean, seriously. Oh my god. I just need an oil. I don't have an oil up here in my taping room. I wonder if this hand cream would help. If you had an oil, I suspect it would take it off easy peasy. I'm using a Tony Moly Peach Punch cleansing tissue that I actually received in my Boxy pop-up order. Nope, the hand cream did not help. So how you been? Are you done your Christmas shopping yet? I'm not. I need to get out there and do more. Maybe by the time I post this, I'll be done. Probably won't be done. You know when I'm usually done? December 24th. Not for lack of starting mid-November. I surely do. I mean, it's still there. It is. Look at the fuzz. Can you see the fuzzes coming? Probably not. So be sure to go over and check out the collab if you haven't already done that. You will love all 4 of the other ladies. They are so fantastic, and they're funny and they're witty and they're smart and they're super honest, and it's such an honor to be able to do a collab with 4 other women who are doing what they want to do on YouTube, and I love supporting each other. Okay, it smells like peach now. Okay, pretty much clean. Still a little red, a little irritated now maybe where I dug into it, but I'm here to tell you, they are not kidding when they say don't go outside the lines, because you're going to be wearing it for a long time. Okay, let's try Blue Ice. Oh, they're so creamy. Oh my gosh, guys. Purpley nice. This is Star. And this is Purple Horseshoe. Oh. How pretty are they? Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh. I just can't even. Oh my goodness. Worst swatcher ever, but how great are those? They are so nice. This one is really super light. I hope you can see it coming through, but those are so pretty. That purple though, if they are eye safe, these are going to be fantastic shadows. So next we are going to swatch Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. Again, they are so green. Oh, that green. I don't know how in the world I would ever begin to wear green on my face, so I really hope that these are eye friendly. And this is what the colors look like. How pretty is that? Green is so bright and pretty, but I cannot imagine it, you know. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm so in love with that green. I wish I could use it on my face. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. Okay, so while we look at these gorgeous things, let me read to you what the book says about them. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit taught me that highlighter can be a lot more than silver or gold. This kit has 6 pans filled with icy pastel shades of pink, green, blue, foil-like silver called Star. It seems a little scary, definitely intimidating, but then I learned something. After sweeping on the purple and blue shades, I realized that the highlighter shade can flatter your complexion without matching it. Maybe even more than their rose gold counterparts. Lilac, for instance, is surprisingly brightening. Purple Horseshoe canceled out all of the sallow tones of my face. Baby Blue, on the other hand, gives it a soft sparkle. Beyond giving your skin an otherworldly glow, the highlighters can be subbed for eyeshadows. Yay! I started smudging them onto my lids with a little fingertip, and it got me the coolest mirror metallic effect. I'll never look at a highlighter the same again, and it has a $40 value. Well, that is awesome. I have on brown eyes, so let's not go too far outside the... I'll take a little bit of the Blue Moon on my pinky, because you know I gotta put it on my eyes. Oh, I have a lot of shine on there today. I have so much shine on there that you really can't tell that I added more. Ooh. I really can't tell that I added much more because I had so much shine up there already today, but this is a gorgeous palette. So in our December Allure box, we received the Anastasia Moonchild, the Anastasia Put It Where You Want It because you're going to be wearing it for a day or so, beautiful liquid matte lip, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, the Christoph Robin shampoo, and the Ultra Repair Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty, which I will put back into the giveaway. Thank you so much for being here. That was a fantastic box. Well worth the $15 per month that it costs. I will put my link below in case you want to go over and sign up. I get this box again because I signed up through Amazon to get it a little earlier so that I would have it for my videos, but I haven't canceled through the regular Allure yet because every month there's been another product that has been well worth the $15 to me, and that's where we were again with December. Now, when I see the January spoilers, I'll make the decision of whether I want to keep both accounts. But I mean, for my $15 this month, we got, this alone is $40. Well, you know what? Let me tell you. Well, we know it was about $8.50 for the Christoph Robin. So our value this month was, assuming that the brow gel was a full size, about $114.50 for $15. That's why I have two boxes coming. So when my second box comes, if it's a variant that's different than this, I'll pop on really quick and do a really quick video. I won't swatch and everything again, but if there's something different in it, I'll let you know what that is. And thank you so much for being here, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.